Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Slime Flip, and today I will be doing part 2 to showing you guys all my slimes. I actually just finished tapping the button on my phone to end the part 1. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, you don't need to go watch it, but either watch it right now or after because you can see the other half of my slimes. And I did a full intro in that, so I explained what I'm doing and everything. So probably go watch that one right now, but come back. This was a really nice drizzling cloud cream, and it smells so good, like perfect. Oh my gosh, but it's really rippy since I added clay. When I added clay to a little piece, it was like super nice and like amazing and super soft, and it was like this like nice soft like chewy texture, and then it just got ruined. So yeah, kind of a bummer, but let me get on with the next slime. I already did that slime in the part 1. This is a new texture of slime that I kind of made up. This is Chanel number 2. I kind of copied the name from myself, I think, because it sounds very familiar. But I think I'm going to change it to cotton candy soda since it looks more like cotton candy. Am I right? So since it's like a new texture that I called popcorn slime, popcorn slime is basically packaging peanuts crushed up into a butter slime. Yeah, it's basically just a butter slime, but has really nice chunky homemade beads. Kind of, not really homemade, you just crush up packaging peanuts, but yeah. I also added pearls and Fimo slices. And I think there's some foam beads and sprinkles, but that's just because it was a different type of slime before I totally changed it. Next slime. This is the next slime, and this is a store-bought slime. This is hard to get out of the container, but this is like one of the best store-bought slimes I've ever felt, and it is called Fluffy Clouds, Pina Party scented, and I think it's by Compound King since it does say oddly satisfying on here, and it has like the same type of like print, but I don't know for a fact. Also, the slime like disappeared after like a month or 2 after I bought it. I didn't do anything to it, I swear. Like, I never really play with this slime anymore, but like it kind of just like disappeared. But it comes with this charm, and it's a super good cloud slime. Like, it's super fluffy and it smells really nice, and they have like a series of these that are colored and scented differently. And I watched a review and they said that they kind of have different textures, but I really like this one's texture. It's called Peanut Party, if you didn't hear me the first time. The only thing that's really wrong about it is that it has a little bit of fallout, but you can just fix that with another slime after you play with it, and these little fallouts will just go into it. Next one. Oh my gosh. I put the wrong container on here and a totally different slime got in there from the container. But that is okay, since I pretty much got it all out. This is a really nice sleigh slime. As you can see, it is super duper glossy on the bottom. But this is cherry milkshake. Cherry milkshake. I can never decide But I think, I always say this, but I think it's cherry shake. But I always feel like that's kind of plain, so I add milk to it. But when I say milk, I feel like it doesn't look like a milkshake since it's bright red. So I don't know, you guys, but yeah, I don't know. But it's a really nice texture, and this is one of my favorite slimes just to play with because it glosses up really fast. And sleigh slimes, you just kind of get all the slimes in one. It feels like a thick and glossy slime. It feels like a normal base slime. It feels like a butter slime since it has clay and it spreads. The only thing that doesn't feel like is a cloud slime, like a cloud fluff. I guess it kind of feels like a cloud cream if you really think about it, but I don't really think so. And of course, it doesn't feel like any bead slime, like any slime with just like add-ins to make it a different texture, of course, because they don't have those add-ins. But yeah, let's just go in to the next slime. This is another cloud fluff, but this one's homemade. All the slimes except the Pina Party one and the next slime are completely homemade. They might not be made by my hand, but because I did buy some off Etsy from Etsy shops, but they're handmade slimes. Just so you guys know. This one is called Unicorn Fluff, and it has a unicorn charm. Oh, it's right here actually. Ta-da! My friend gave me this one, and this one is like super duper crackly. It's not my best cloud slime. I would say the cloud slime, the first cloud slime that I showed in my part 1, I almost showed 2, but in my part 1, Quick Clips. This one, that one's my best cloud slime. And then this next one is the second one that's store-bought. And the second to last one that is store-bought in this video. Oh, also in my part 1, all of them were homemade. All of them were handmade, I should say, since they weren't made in this home. But all of them were handmade, even if they were in these Crazy Art containers. I just used those since they're 24 ounces, and that's the size that I use for my school slimes I sell to people. But yeah, this one is, I can do like anything to it, and I never really play with this one. It's only $10 for 3 pounds, but yeah, it's just a classic store-bought slime. It's by Oddly Satisfying. And then this one is also by Oddly Satisfying, but it's not 100% store-bought since I did add Elmer's glue. So it's kind of like a way different texture than it actually is. Also, I added some glitter. But yeah, it's kind of a way different texture than it is in stores. In stores, it's just like super soft clay. And it says that it is Oddly Satisfying Butter Christmas Cookies. And when you get it, it is 4.24 ounces in weight, but it's like big still. I would say I do like the version that it is bright when you get it from the store, but I also really like this one since it somehow feels more like thick and creamy, even though that one was like super duper soft clay, which is like more thick and creamy, but I don't know. It just feels different, but also better different in a way. Okay, so this is Chocolate Fluff. This is like one of my best cloud slimes, but definitely not as good as the other one that I showed you. But the only thing that it is better than the other one is that it has better sizzles when you stretch it. Yeah, so so it definitely has better sizzles, and yeah, it just has sizzles like every time you move it and stretch it. So I really like it. Oh my gosh. I can never open this one since I always put this one upside down for some reason. All my slimes get upside down at one point. So they're always hard to open. Oh gosh. That's why it was totally stuck to the top of the container. This is my homemade putty slime. It's basically just overactivated, thick, clear slime. As I said in the last video, but like it's fine. You guys might have not have watched the last video. Go watch it. You can. If you're not watching it yet, thanks. Okay. But yeah, I don't really play with this one much. But it's really pretty. I kind of wish that it was like a normal slime since it's super duper duper pretty and clear. It's called Hawaiian Waters. And this is basically the same thing, but it is called Prom Punch. It's a little bit stretchier, I would say. And it's really pretty also. It's a little bit stretchier. It's like a stretchy putty texture. Yeah, I think I didn't make these at the same time actually. So I think they're different batches and had a different activation process, but these are two of my most overactivated clear slimes because they're at my bottom of the bin, and all my slimes at the bottom of the bin are the ones I mostly don't like, or the ones that I just forgot about because I never play with them. Oh, but this one I really like. Usually I like search for this one first. My dog just farted. Oof. But usually I like search for this one first. Like I play with this one a lot, but I play with it first and I put it in the bin, and then I'm like digging for my favorites, like in the middle of the bin, so it always gets back down in the bottom. Also, it's in a 6 ounce, so it's like a smaller container. I have a lot of like bigger 8 ounces, like this and this, and of course like normal ones and these guys. And this one. So yeah, all my smaller ones kind of fall to the bottom sometimes. But this one is really nice. It's called Unicorn Egg. Oh, I don't know why the heck this one is on the bottom. The same reason as that one, actually. This is my first jelly slime, and it's my favorite jelly slime. It's called Unicorn Teardrop. And yeah, it's really nice. I made this with Elmer's glitter glue. Elmer's glitter glue is like so amazing. Like, it's thicker than regular glue. You don't need to pay $5 for this free collection glitter. It basically just comes in the glue, and it's the same price. So you get 3 for 1. You get thick glue, glitter, and like one price, same price. Cheap, I would say. So yeah, I really like Elmer's glitter glue. The only thing that's bad is that it doesn't get out of the container well, since of those like edges, you know. But I only have a couple more slimes in here. Oh my gosh, I never play with this one. This is like the worst cloud slime ever. It has so much fallout and it's not stretchy at all. But it makes good ASMR, even though it's like the worst. And then, whoa, I have 2 empty containers. Hello. This one's empty. Empty, 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 empty. Okay, I have 6 of these. Oh my gosh. Okay, I forgot I had a gold glitter, but I was like weirded out since usually it would be at the bottom, but this one was upside down. But yeah, I have 6 of these store-bought ones. I think these textures are really cool because they feel nice. Like they don't make any ASMR like any other slime, but they make their own type of ASMR, and I think that is really cool. And when you poke it in deep enough, it like suctions your finger until you pull it back out. And these galaxy slimes actually come back together. Bye guys, I hope you liked this part 2 of me showing you guys my whole slime collection. I definitely have a pretty big mess to clean up. Not much of a mess, just putting containers back on slimes and playing with them every time I try to put the containers on. But bye guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that thumbs up button. And then if you did those 2, make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified and stay updated whenever I post a new video. And yeah, bye guys.